Hello dear students. So our science chapter number 2, uses of plants, is going on. So in this chapter we had learnt about the food and the different uses of food and what are the products that we are getting from the food that we had learned in last video. So we had also learned about oil, the food items like oil seeds, sugar, beverages, spices, nuts that we are getting from the food and their uses. Also we had learned about the medicines and the fodder. Fodder means the food of animal that also we get from the plants and their uses. So today we are going to study about the fibers and wood and timber and the other product that we are getting from the plants. So my dear students, open your science textbook page number 182. So our first point is fibers. So how we get fibers from the plant that we are going to study. So first, see in your textbook, fibers. We get fiber from plants. So we get fiber from plants. Fibers are used to make clothes, handbags and ropes. Cotton, jute, hemp and flax are some plants that uses fibers. So the cloth that we are using that also made from the different fibers, and that fibers we get from the plants. So the clothes, handbags and ropes that are made from that are made from the fibers. Okay, और fibers are used to make the things like clothes, handbags and ropes. मतलब जो handbags है, जो हमारे clothes है, ये सब किससे बने हैं? Fibers. तो ये फाइबर्स हमें कौन से प्लांट से मिलते हैं? सो वी गेट फाइबर्स फ्रॉम कॉटन, जूट, हेम्प एंड फ्लैक्स प्लांट. सो वी गेट फाइबर्स फ्रॉम कॉटन प्लांट्स, जूट प्लांट, हेम्प प्लांट्स एंड द फ्लैक्स प्लांट्स. सो कॉटन प्लांट्स गिव्स अस कॉटन फाइबर. तो कॉटन प्लांट से हमें कौन से फाइबर्स मिलते हैं? कॉटन के. फाइबर्स मीन्स क्या है? उसको मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं? धागा. यस, धागा. Okay, so cotton plant gives us cotton fiber. We get jute fiber from jute plant. So we are using jute bags for our as a tiffin bag. So we जो हम टिफिन बैग्स यूज करते हैं वो किससे मिलते हैं? किससे बनते हैं? जूट फाइबर से. So that jute fibers we are getting from jute plants. The flax plant gives us linen. तो जो लीलन, जो हम शर्ट्स पहनते हैं वो कौन से फाइबर से बने होते हैं? लिनन फाइबर से. तो जो लिनन फाइबर कौन से प्लांट से मिलता है? फ्लैक्स प्लांट से. सो कॉटन प्लांट गिव्स अस कॉटन फाइबर्स. वी गेट जूट फाइबर फ्रॉम जूट प्लांट्स एंड फ्लैक्स प्लांट गिव्स अस लिनन फाइबर. ओके, सो दीज 3 टाइप्स ऑफ फाइबर्स वी गेट फ्रॉम द plants. Cotton fiber, jute fiber and the linen fiber we get from the plant, and from these fibers we make clothes, handbags and the ropes. So our next product is wood and the timber. So also we get wood and timber from the plants. So wood is very useful to us. So we use wood in making houses, in making different wooden furniture. Yes, so let's see. The wood obtained from the trunk of trees such as the rosewood, ebony, teak, mahogany, mango is used to make furniture. So we get wood from which plant? We get wood from the rosewood tree, ebony tree, mango tree, teak tree and the mahogany tree. And the wood that getting from these trees that we use to make different furniture. तो हमें जो ये वुड इस डिफरेंट ट्रीज से मिलता है तो हम कहाँ पे वो यूज करते हैं? टू मेक डिफरेंट फर्नीचर. Such wood is called hardwood. So the wood is used to make different furniture. That wood is called hardwood. Furniture means क्या? हम कबर्ड बनाते हैं. वी आर मेकिंग द चेयर, टेबल, कबर्ड, ड्रॉवर्स. वी यूज दैट. ओके, वी यूज दैट वुड टू मेक बिल्ड आवर हाउसेस. सो दैट वुड इज कॉल्ड hardwood. That wood is called hardwood. Means the wood that used to make furnitures are called hardwood. Then second, paper, crocks, boards and cards are made of softwood obtained from the coniferous trees. So also we make paper, boards and cards from the wood. तो हम wood से और क्या क्या बनाते हैं? पेपर्स बनाते हैं, बोर्ड्स बनाते हैं, कार्ड्स बनाते हैं. So to make these things we need softwood. तो पेपर बनाने के लिए, कार्ड्स बनाने के लिए, बोर्ड्स बनाने के लिए हमें कौन सा वुड चाहिए? सॉफ्ट वुड. सो दैट सॉफ्ट वुड इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम कोनीफेरस ट्रीज. तो ये सॉफ्ट वुड हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? कोनीफेरस ट्रीज से. थर्ड पॉइंट इज वुड फ्रॉम द विलो ट्री इज यूज्ड टू मेक क्रिकेट बैट्स. So we are using cricket bats to play cricket. That cricket bats is made from the wood of willow trees. Okay. So hardwood we use to make different furnitures. Soft wood we use to make paper, boards and the cards. And the willow tree wood is used to make the cricket bats. Okay. So these different wood and the timber that we get from the plants. So student, have you understood how plants are very useful to us? Yes. So next point is other products. So first is some trees uses resins, gums and turpentine oil. So let's see students. So from the trees we get gums that we are using to stick some sticks things. So we get gums and the turpentine oil from the trees also. Rubber is obtained from the rubber tree. It is used to make eraser, tires and pipes. Then also we are using rubbers. That rubbers also we get from the rubber trees, and from this rubber we make eraser, tires and पाइप्स. तो जो पाइप, जो टायर्स हम व्हीकल्स में यूज करते हैं वो किससे बने होते हैं? रबर से. इरेजर हम जो इरेज करने के लिए पेंसिल का लिखा हुआ इरेज करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. दैट आल्सो मेड फ्रॉम द रबर, एंड दैट रबर मेड फ्रॉम द वी गेट ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द रबर trees. Cane is obtained from plants such as bamboo. Gum is obtained from the acacia tree. Paints, varnishes and dyes are also obtained from plants. Certain flowers and leaves have a pleasant smell. Such flowers are used to make perfumes. For example, jasmines and rose. So student, have you know we are using perfumes. Okay. So that perfumes also we get from the plants, because we make that perfumes from the flowers, certain flowers that having a pleasant sweet smells. That also we get from the plants. Dry and decayed leaves of plants form humus in soil. Humus improves the fertility of soil. And also the dry leaves of the trees that fall on the ground, and we can also if we collect all the dried leaves, and the dried leaves also forms humus in the soil. मतलब वो जब वो ड्राइड लीव्स जो सॉइल में मिक्स होते हैं तो उनका क्या बनता है? ह्यूमस बनता है. एंड दैट ह्यूमस आल्सो improves the fertility of soil. So have you understood student how plants are useful to us? Because we need or we use plants in many ways. Okay. So what we have to do? If we cut the trees, if we cut the plant, then what will happen? Then we will not get the air. We cannot plant to build our house. We cannot get the many product that we are getting from the plants. So what we have to do? What we have to do to save our trees? So we have to stop cutting the trees, cutting the plant. And what we have to do? We have to plant more and more trees to get fresh air, to get more product from the plants, because plants are our life. So what we have to do? We have to plant more trees. We have to plant one trees. So now it's a rainy season. Okay, so you have a very good chance to plant trees. So student, please, that is your duty to save our environment, to save our earth, to save our life. So what is our duty? To plant trees. So from today you have to plant one tree, because plant is very useful to us. Plant is useful to us in many ways. Okay, that we have learned in this lesson, that is uses of plants. So for this we have to all students, they must have to plant one tree. Okay, and if when you plant your tree, then tell me. Okay student, so this is all about uses of plant. So student, here we have completed science chapter number 2, uses of plant, and then solve that choose the correct answer from textbook page number 183. And today we are going I am going to give you a homework to solve the exercise. So I am going to send you a PDF of this exercise. Student, read this topic, read the chapter again, and plant one tree today itself. Okay, so thank you student, we will meet in our next video. Thank you student.